to my channel. Today this video is going to be on how I did my quarantine nails. These is press-ons. I don't got no little cute setup how like all the little famous YouTubers be. I'm just like y'all. But I want to show y'all how I did my nails. So I had bought these press-on nails from Walmart. And they literally cover your whole nail, so you don't need no acrylic or none of that. And then I had bought this nail gel kit from Walmart too, and it comes with this nail light lamp, and it comes with these nail forms. So like if you already got gel polish on your nails, cause my toes was horrible. I had to do something, and at first I didn't know how to get this gel polish off. So they came with these little nail forms, and you just rip it on the side. They tell you to stick your finger in there, put your nail on top of it, and you know, just wear it. So as long as I guess you're supposed to wear it. It come with 10, and it was 2 packs. Yeah, and then it comes with, of course, the nail tips came with the nail glue, the Kiss nail glue. This is Kiss. And it's called Sensational. They both came from Walmart. And the gel nail kit also came with the gel cleanser. And it came with the nail primer, the gel nail primer. And then it came with the clear gel polish, and it came with this cute rose pink. So this is my favorite color, so that was a bonus. And then I don't have any cuticle oil, so I just use this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. It's a multi-purpose oil for hair, bath, nails, and body. So I just put it on my cuticles. It says extra virgin olive oil too. So yeah, and I had this for a long time. So I think I got this from my local beauty supply store when outside was open. So yeah, and also the little nail kit came with this dropper. And separately, I had bought this nail polish remover, acetone, because I didn't have none and I needed some. And that's actually what I use to take off my gel polish. But you could just use the gel remover, and that should work. And it came in this little, all this stuff came in this box. So, oh, look at me forgetting stuff. And of course it came with the nail file. And then I also bought this separately. And it also came with these little pads, I want to say. I use this, and I put the little stuff in here, and I drop it on there, and I wipe off. Y'all know how at the nail shop they wipe your nails off at the end? So that's what I do. I put the acetone on there, and I just wipe my nails off. And then this is how they came out. I normally have them shorter than this, but I wanted to try them long this time, because I'm sitting in the house. I ain't got nothing else to do. And this little thing is, this thing be so hard to open. But it came with these cuticle pushers. This actually came with, what did this come with? No, these two. Okay, I'm confusing myself. One of these, I think it was this one. This came with the gel nail kit to remove the gel polish off your fingers, but I didn't like the way, y'all see how it's curved? I don't like that. So I ended up buying this separately from Walmart as well, and I just use this to push my little cuticles back. And you could use this to remove the gel too as well, the gel polish, but I never really used this for nothing. I am not no professional or none of that. I'm just trying to survive Corona in the house, but I still need my nails done. First, what I do is I push my cuticles back, and these nails last so long, y'all. When I say so long, like they last for like, when I first did them, these was not coming off. Like I was so scared. I'm like, these nails not coming off. I know they press-ons. That glue works so good, but I end up getting them off. because I had to break them. But this me just pushing my cuticles back. What y'all do today? Comment below how y'all quarantine life going. What's today? Today is Thursday, May 14th. I lost count of what day quarantine this was. But I really don't have that much to push back because I did this like a long time ago. So it really didn't grow back that fast. Yeah, I ended up taking my nails off that I had on before. Okay. And then I also, before you could take this, I use this side, the hard side, and this like the little softer side. You supposed to use this pink side, but I use this side because my nails kind of rough. And you know, I don't have a cuticle clipper, so I just use this to get all the shine off my nails, and to scrape away the cuticles that I did push back that was on my nails. So after I did that, my nails look like this. So now I just take my little press-ons with my nail glue and my nails are pretty little and I'm left-handed, so I did my left hand first. I measure it first and then you could really do this at a table, but I'm sitting here watching TV, so. And I put the front on first and then push it down just so the glue could spread throughout the whole nail. And then I put it under the light. I don't know if this worked or not, but I just put it under here for like a few seconds, like 5 seconds. And then I go. So next, what I do is I shape it first. I kind of like the length, so I'm gonna just shape it into a box shape because I really like box nails. I'm left-handed, so this takes so much longer. I'm gonna take this side, the darker side, and just do like go over the top of the nail until the shine is gone. I take the gel primer and let me show y'all. I put it on my nails and let it sit for 15 seconds before I start putting the polish. Okay, so next you want to take the gel base and top coat. That's what this is. You want to take it and you want to put that on your nails after you let the gel primer sit for 15 seconds. You want to put this on there. I'm sitting on my couch in a living room, probably what you doing right now, or in your room, because that's exactly where I'm gonna go after this, in my room. So I put that on there. Now I'm gonna sit it under the light. I don't really know if this light come with a timer or not, but I be sitting my nails on here for a long time, and you know it's kind of small, so I gotta kind of like scrunch my fingers up so they all can fit in at the same time, and then just keep it still because it's like a motion sensor, so you have to like, if you move your hand it'll go off. Yeah, so now it's finally time to put the polish on. So this is how it looked before the polish, Now, we polish these babies. I could have did this at the kitchen table, but I wanted to watch TV.
Trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you?
I'm just putting the top coat. Take a little and drop it onto the cotton pad. You know, acetone dries so fast, so you gotta move quick. And I just rub my nails. If you don't do this, your nails will be sticky. Like you will have hair sticking to your nails, even though your polish is dry. I absolutely hate that. And then what I do, take the nail file and I just reshape my nails one more good time.
Trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do.
Like this video. Thank you.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a